Super spicy. If you guys want... If you guys want the spice mix I use to put on these tenders, it'll be in the description below. What's up, KeToMi crew? It's your boy KeToMi Papi, and we're back for another mukbang. As you've seen from the title and the thumbnail, we are at Raising Cane's, and we're trying something brand new. I don't know if anybody else has tried this, but I sure am going to be doing it today. We have some Nashville Hot Raising Cane's chicken tenders and fries. Oh my gosh. This one right here is really special. I love Nashville Hot Chicken. I love what the people down there in Nashville, Tennessee has brought to us. One of their signature iconic dishes here. And I was just thinking to myself, how come Raising Cane's has never done spicy? You guys have primarily tenders and chicken sandwiches. Why not come out with a spicy version of your food? You know, I'm pretty sure you guys love Raising Cane's, and if you're watching this video, you're a fan, just like me. So, as you can see here, we got some spicy Nashville Hot Tenders. I got some fries. I got a toast. Plenty of their cane sauce, and I got some coleslaw. I love me some coleslaw. I got me a drink just because things might heat up, and I brought my stomach to the table as well. So, without further ado, guys, we're gonna go ahead and dive into this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. If you guys haven't watched my last video, I went to Freddy's Steak Burgers to try the A1 Chop House Burger. You guys can definitely hit the card up here to check out that video. That one is I had a lot of fun eating over there. Raising Cane's is delicious. Oh my gosh, guys. Let me get y'all guys a close-up of what I'm dealing with here. Yeah. Can y'all see that? Hope y'all can see that. It's kind of hard, trying to show you guys what these look like since like my fingers in front of the camera.
Juicy.
Oh my god!
Delicious.
Super spicy. If you guys want if you guys want the spice mix I use to put on these tenders, it'll be in the description below. And hashtag spicy canes if you end up trying some of this spicy seasoning on your cane sauce. Let me know if you guys like it. You got it from your boy KeToMi Papi first.
Tasty. Delicious.
Bruh.
Epic fail. Woo! Woo! Wonderful. Guys, I'm in heaven right now. Love Nashville hot chicken. I just love spicy food. Eating, just eating in general, like, it's just such a beautiful thing. It really is. Just being able to enjoy life and have opportunity to enjoy food and family is everything to me. So, oh my gosh. A lot of people don't like coleslaw, but try it with this Nashville hot season that on the chicken that I'm giving you guys. Try it. You'll start liking coleslaw. I never used to like coleslaw.
Oh, wow.
But I don't know. I've said it before, but you know, your palate does change as you proceed with life. I remember years ago, my father used to I think it was like KFC he would take me to. And I think KFC always had coleslaw. I will always turn down when my dad tried to get it to me.
Hold up.
I just couldn't do it. But, you know, coleslaws are good. Like today, coleslaw is smacking. If you like Nashville hot chicken, let me know down in the comment section below. What's your favorite Nashville hot chicken spot? Over here in Houston, Texas, they're supposed to be, opening up a location. Huh. I don't know. They said it was like last year they announced it. So I don't know how far along with the plans that they're going along with opening up still. So I don't even know why I said that without saying which company I'm talking about. My mind is going crazy. I'm talking about Hattie B's specifically. World famous Hattie B's.
Tasty.
This very little research I did on Nashville hot chicken, I think the very first place to introduce Nashville hot chicken or hot chicken in general is a place called Gus's Hot Chicken. They're the originators, still going on to this day. And over the years, it has trickled down to the masses of how popular this food item is. I think it started off with a man who was, I'm not too sure if he was having an affair.
Hold up.
Or he was just mistreating his wife. Just coming home late and stuff. So the wife prepared him the most spiciest food he could imagine, in spite of what he was doing. Only to turn out that he loved it.
Hold up.
Loved it so much, turned it into a business. It was a long time ago, and here I am, a huge fan of Nashville hot chicken. But yeah. If you guys are watching up to this point, I really appreciate it. A small channel trying to, show my face to everybody, just to, really showcase my purpose. I cook a lot of good, healthy food, and then it really brings me to making videos like this where I can have a cheat day with you all, because I know staying on a healthy journey can be challenging sometimes. So you need days like this, and I'm here to share that with y'all. Definitely. We're gonna have to get Raising Cane's on the spicy game. Yeah. There's a few places that are slacking who haven't came out with spicy yet. Chick-fil-A low-key came out with a spicy chicken biscuit, but that was it. Well, you know, they have a spicy chicken sandwich. We all know that. But just bring them out in tenders. And I used to work at Chipotle, so I know exactly how they prepare their food. All their food comes out pre-marinated from the company, from the factory. Especially their chicken, the spicy chicken, comes like super red, like vibrant.
Huh?
I'm always gonna be team spicy. If you made it past this video, let me know in the comment section below. Hashtag team spicy or team mild. Excuse me. Guys, I'm stuffed. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this later. I really can't eat. Excuse me. This seasoning is ultra spicy. And if you want the spicy mix for your chicken, you can find it in the description below. Beware, it is very spicy, but it's also very delicious. It's actually making me burn it. It's making me burn up right now. You can probably see me sweating. I'm gonna knock this out later. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like. I really appreciate that. It costs you nothing to hit that like button, and it really lets people have a chance to find this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell if you guys enjoy my content. And if you don't, go ahead and hit me with a thumbs down. I'm going to appreciate you like I always will. Until next time, guys, make sure you catch my keto recipes on my shorts feed. I'm going to catch you guys with the next video. Y'all guys, take care and God bless. Until next time, peace.